Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are gonna do a really fun, like, abstract nail art design with dip powder and some gold foil and a little bit of stamping later on. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this amazing bluish purple, I don't even know, periwinkle. It's a Diva Dip, so if you know anything about Triple D, every month they do Diva boxes. It's first come, first serve. There's only a certain amount of them. Very exclusive. I actually stopped getting them a few months ago because pretty much everyone has gel products in it. Like just one usually, or maybe more, but I don't use gel, so I'm not going to waste my money on anything that has to do with gel when it's just going to go to waste. I can't do it. And I could resell. They do have a buy-sell trade group, but that's a lot of effort that I don't want to put in. I still have so much gel stuff that I haven't sold yet. So anyway, that's all besides the point. These dips are exclusive to the box. Usually they will vote and one will go mainline. I don't know if this one has or not. I will see if I can find out. If I can, I will link it. The other Triple D color I'm using is available and is mainline. So I'm going to dip out my pinky, my pointer, and my thumb in this pretty blue. And I don't actually dip it. I pour over. You guys know that by now. I started using gel method when I first got into doing dip nails, and pour over was really the best way to do that. And now that's just, you know, I'm so used to it. It's always how I've done my nails. When I do want to go into the dip, I pour it into a cupcake liner, or lately these awesome little silicone bowls, which are linked in, I think, 2 videos back. Anyway, we do 2 layers on the pinky, the pointer, and the thumb, but I only show 1. So now we're going to get into this cool, like, abstract design that I'm trying to do. And basically I'm using an eyeshadow brush to do this. And I just used the smallest one I have, and I zoomed in so you guys could really see what I was doing. But I'm just trying to, like, make like a little blob of this blue color on one very specific part of my nail. And it actually worked out so good. I was a little nervous that the dip was kind of going to go everywhere, but it really did exactly what I wanted it to do. And then I just pour over the other color, and I will show doing this twice on both fingers. And I'm going to let you guys watch, because I don't think there's much more talking I can do about this. I think you guys can see and understand what I'm doing. If you have any questions, reach out and let me know. But I will be back very, very soon.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride, head full of flies, so here come the clouds, they'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
We are almost done with the dipping part, and then we will get into clear capping, which I did not leave in. I just felt like this video was going to be a good amount of time with the nail art that I'm doing. But I did clear cap my pinky, basically all the solid nails. I did not clear cap the two split nails that have, both colors on them, because I'm doing nail art over them, and my intention was to clear cap them afterwards, but I don't, because things went very wrong. I will get to that. Trust me, this mani turned out, well, in my opinion, I guess I shouldn't say trust me. I have the beholder. I love how this turned out. It's fabulous, but I did have some hiccups at the end, so I will talk about that here shortly. But we're activating three something. Hold on. Sorry, distractions. My cat was clawing at the door to get in. I am having a day. Okay, 3 layers of activator. That's my norm. That's what I always do. And then I will tap them. And once I hear the clicking noise, they're ready. And then I filed and buffed all that good stuff off camera. And now we're going to get into the nail art on the 2 nails. So this is Crazy Girl Dip Stuck. Sorry, I'm like very bottom of the frame. I really need to do better at this, about getting more in the center so you guys can see. But I'm just applying a coat of stuck. It's not anything special. So this goes on, and I mention this in every video. I'm so sorry if you are listening to me on repeat, if you've watched these before. But it goes on white and streaky, and when it's clear, then you're ready to do whatever kind of art that you're going to do on it. So we are streaky, and now we're clear. Ooh, that was fast. It takes a good 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm just going to dab the gold foil like in random places. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It's just literally adding basically a little gold accent, which I thought turned out super, super cute. I love it. And then we're going to go in with our stamp, and we're just basically doing 2 different flower designs, one on one nail, one on the other nail. And I apologize in advance so you can see what I'm doing pretty clearly, mostly anyway. But I stamped off camera mostly, and I'm sorry. I'm so bad at that because my camera is like above where my head sits, and so I can't see it unless I go and look, and I get so into my nails that I forget that, maybe I should check and make sure that I'm on camera. But I do better with this one. So there is that, which I'm happy about. So this one I'm doing upside down, which I normally don't do, but because the blue part is at the bottom, I kind of wanted like the tip of the flower to be down there. Hopefully that makes sense. And then we are going to use our Maniology smudge-free top coat to seal this in without smudging anything, which somehow when I go to add the other top coat, it smudged a little bit. Not enough that I was like, oh my God, I have to redo it, which has happened to me in the past. But enough that I was like, wow, how did that happen? Because I basically do the same thing every time. I put the smudge-free top coat on and I let it dry for 5 minutes. Now, if I could go back, what I would have done was wait my 5 minutes and then I would have capped my nails in clear. But what I decided to do was I was like, ooh, I think these would look really flippin' good matte top coated. And they would have, or they did. But I had so many issues with that. So when I use matte top coat, because I just use a nail polish top coat, I don't know. What am I doing here? Oh, sorry. I skipped all this. I took out the stuff that I didn't want you guys to see. I use a nail polish base coat and then I do the matte top coat I use a nail polish top coat and then the matte coat because it's supposed to help it look better. I did all that and the two like nail arty nails looked really good, but for some reason there was like white splotches all over the other nails and I don't know why. So I activated off camera. I don't know why. But anyway, and then I'm going in with a dip top coat, my normal dip top coat, just the first layer. And then the second layer, I'm going in with my Triple D matte dip top coat. Unfortunately, I don't know if I used it wrong. I mean, from what I've seen, you want to do a regular top coat and then a layer of the matte dip top coat, but I don't know. It did not work. Some of the nails looked really matte, but there was a lot of shiny parts in it, and maybe that's because I went in with cuticle oil right after. I don't know. So the next morning, I went in and I put it's Essie Matte About You nail polish, just good old nail polish, and I shook it up really good because I was wondering if that's why it had like white little dry spots on it. I still don't know why that happened, but I shook it up really good and then I did it and then they were, amazingly matte. And then I put cuticle oil on immediately after so I could go take my pictures and I had no issues. I just wiped my nails with a lint-free wipe and swipe solution and matte they were. So you'll see in the end in the pictures how good the nail polish top coat is compared to the matte dip top coat. And again, it's probably user error. I'm not blaming. I've seen some of the manis with this matte dip top coat on the Triple D Facebook page and they're stunning. So it's clearly something I'm doing wrong, but I don't even know like if I'll bother again because you can see that pointer finger has like shiny bits on it and that's before I added anything. Like I don't know why or what happened. Anyway, blah, 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 blah. Sometimes I just ramble. I'm sorry. I mean, maybe you like it. I don't know. So if you like my rambling, I'm not sorry. Okay. Anyway, we're pretty much wrapped up. You'll see the difference in the little video blip I do at the end with the dip top coat matte versus the pictures at the very end with the nail polish matte. Nail polish matte turned out so much better. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe, do everything YouTube-y stuff. And if you're new, please subscribe. I would be super thrilled to have you join this little journey of mine. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education.